Another mild earthquake with a magnitude of 3.2 struck Johor on Wednesday morning. The Malaysian Meteorological Department, or MetMalaysia, reported that the quake occurred at 8:59 a.m., about 19 kilometers south of Segamat, at a depth of 10 kilometers. Tremors were felt in most parts of Johor and southern Pahang. Authorities say the situation is being closely monitored. On Sunday, 2 quakes were recorded, one measuring 4.1 on the Richter scale in Segamat at 6:13 a.m. and another of 2.8 magnitude in Kluang around 9 a.m. Tremors from those quakes were also felt in Negeri Sembilan, Melaka, and southern Pahang.